Grandmama. Where's Grandma?
I'm over here. Mama.
No, you can't have that. You can't have that. You can have Grandma's camera.
No, you can't. You can't have my camera.
When I do that, doesn't like it.
She doesn't like it?
I don't like it.
She's gonna get you.
What's that one? What Grandma would go, zipper! Zipper!
It's zipper.
Oh, sorry. That's why I never do it. Zipper! Alright. Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? Grandma?
I'm here. I'm right here. Where's Aurora?
Aurora the Explorer. To the table. Those don't belong there. Why did I put them there? It's a mistake. Putting those there. She's got these little patches of dry skin. See?
Yeah.
They call that eczema.
I can't get her face. Every time I come around, she's
I know.
going the other way.
Well, you can hand me the camera and I'll get her too, you know. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. Oh, where's your sock? Where's your sock? Here it is. I found one. I found one sock. Does it go on my nose? No. Silly Grandma.
Silly Grandma.
Get me.
Grandmama. Can you come and get me? You gonna get me? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no!
You got me!
You got Grandmama! Mama. I'm gonna get you now. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. I got that.
I love glasses. Okay, you come and get me. Get me. Come on. Get me. Come on, get me. Get me. Get me. You're so sweet. She's getting me. You got me.
I got you, Grandma.
You're very smart.
Okay. Bye-bye. Aurora, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Look over here, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. Oh, no.